we decided we'd like to do something with the community, and so we thought we'd set up a village fete. And it sort of grew a little bit, and as people got on board and got involved, it's grown into a little bit more of a festival.
But there is a really strong community here, which I really love. It's just nice seeing everybody all together in one place.
It's been magic, honestly. It's been absolutely brilliant seeing everyone getting together, all the effort that goes into it. It's just brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Help you ever put up the tents? Do we help you ever fetching, carrying? Do we help whatever gamey plant? Or do we help you ever access for people with disabilities?
Mae Dyffryn Fodol yn gydweithrediad rhwng Fuse a'r Cartrefi Conwy ac Cyfathrebu Cymru. A fel rhan o'r prosiect, nathon ni roi cynnig allan i bobl creadigol i gynnig syniadau am gydweithio efo cymunedau. A wedyn mae Gwyl Garrog yn un o'r prosiectau yna, da ni wedi ariannu a cefnogi. A wedyn mae Jackie Leigh wedi bod wrthi yn ddi-dor yn cydweithio efo y cymuned yn Gwyl Garrog i creu yr wyl wych yma.
And this is just tremendous. I love it. I really, really love it. And it's been really, really good. It's nice to have the community together, which has been a while. It has been a while. It's nice to see culture again.
Fi'n dwi allan, be sy'n neud o Garrog yn arbennig yn nhw, ac maen nhw siarad am y gorffennol, y presennol ac y dyfodol hefyd.
So, os mae bobl wedi cael syniadau gyffroes am y dyfodol, wel, rhaid i ni fel bobl y cymuned ac yn helpu i wneud hwn yn digwydd yn y dyfodol.
Basically, we've got the children to take the Garrog story, which, if anybody knows it, it's a bit of a horrible ending, and the Garrog dies. Everybody's, it's awful. And they've done a twist at the end. So the Garrog kind of lives on, and it's a bit of a metaphor, a bit of a symbol of hope and a change, and what people can do when they come together.